Welcome to Serenity Medical Health and Beauty Spa, conveniently located behind the Premium Outlet Mall in Dawsonville, Georgia. I'm Sharon Keating, RN, and we're here in the treatment room discussing neurotoxins. And the one that we're talking about today is Dysport. We're going to use Dysport on Denise to address her glabella, or the 11s. Can you frown for me, please? See this area here where you start to form a little bit of a crease, and in some people that crease can become pretty much of a deep line if it's not addressed. And then smile, and then a little bit of the crow's feet, which she's very fortunate. She's got great turgor still and structure to her skin. Her fat pads are holding up really well. The cheeks look great, but she's just got just a teeny bit of crinkling around the eye. So we are going to address that so that doesn't become a larger issue in the future. And we're going to use Dysport, which has been on the market about almost a year and a half now. I believe it came out in January of 2010. And it's very similar to Botox. It's different, of course, went through the FDA clinical trials. The onset of action is a little bit less. It takes about 2 to 4 days for most people for them to see an effect. So we'll inject Denise, but she won't see the actual effect of the Dysport for a couple of days. It smooths beautifully around the eyes because it has a little bit more of a spreading effect. Now, it's been on the market long enough that us as injectors on the professional side, we have had time to adjust for that and to learn some injection techniques, so it's absolutely not an issue. And one of the main reasons, or a couple of main reasons, that someone might choose Dysport over Botox is availability, of course, the spreading effect for the crow's feet, cost. In some areas of the country, the Dysport is a little bit less costly than the Botox, and from time to time there are rebates. Also, if someone is resistant to Botox, it's definitely worth your while giving Dysport a try, because we are finding that the small percentage of Botox resistant clients are definitely receiving results when they use the Dysport, and that's because there's just a little bit of a difference in the chemical component of the two. We just injected Denise's glabella and crow's feet area with the Dysport. I'm just holding light pressure for about 4 or 5 minutes just to ensure that there's no bruising. As I stated earlier, it's going to take a couple of days, anywhere from 2 days to about 7 days for the Dysport to take effect, which means that she won't be able to make that little frowning motion, which puts stress on the line and creates deep lines in this area. And when she looks in the mirror that day and her eyes have a little bit of a relief from the heavy indentation that she did have, and she doesn't have the frown lines anymore, and the eyes are sparkly because now they're nice and smooth around, won't that be a thrilling moment? So come visit us at Serenity Medical Health and Beauty Spa, and let's see what we can do for you.